design with my lady from today, from Belgium, Fabiola. Hi.
Hi.
So we did for a beautiful, nice coppery color, as you see, with some highlight. I wish you can see the colors from nearby. Beautiful, nice hair colors we did for her. And we did a beautiful, nice pixie haircut from today. Easy and simple to wear. She wanted easy style, wash and go, and that's what we did for her. I really love the result, and easy and beautiful color, especially for this kind of hair. So we will ask our lady Fabiola from today. Thank you for visiting us in Vivian Hair Design. How do you feel with the new haircut and with your new color?
Happy.
Happy. Thank you so much. She's really happy. She flew all the way from Belgium here for her hair. I'm happy to do her hair. We are thankful for her. She's been with us here. Thank you very much for visiting us in Vivian Hair Design. We will say to everybody in the world, bye-bye.